It's really fortunate that we have the opportunity to get out to Maravista and have those resources for us at Aromas.
Having fresh produce from Maravista Farm is a real game changer. It's absolutely fantastic. There's not many restaurants who can boast having their own personal farm. People love local produce. And if we can say it's our local produce, no one else has access to it. It's just a lovely conversation. And guests feel that it's as fresh as it could possibly be.
Once I really started working with the farm, I got to really appreciate the seasons a lot more, because you have to have your menu designed around what the farm can produce seasonally. Working out at Maravista is quite inspiring, especially when you get the opportunity to plant some seeds, raise some seedlings, and because you've had that time to look after them, raise them, grow them, it gives you a lot of time to really think about trying to do something special with them and making them just stand out and be something beautiful.